everyone, Ellie with Elevated Nutrition and Wellness, and I'm here today cooking with FreshJax. So we're doing some grilling out here in beautiful California, and we're working with the Smokey Southwest blend that I'm going to be putting on some of these potatoes, and then the citrus pepper blend, which I'll be using on the asparagus and the salmon that we have here. So we're going to do it up. We're going to get these cedar planks to add a lot of flavor. So what's cool about these is you can just you can soak them in water, you can soak them in sake or wine if you want a little bit more flavor to it. But yeah, so these add a lot of good touch. So have our citrus pepper on the asparagus here, so we're just gonna put them right. We're just gonna make this super simple, and we're putting the salmon right on here. I put my citrus pepper blend on my salmon. You can always add lemon to it, put some lemon slices on it, but we're just keeping it simple. Soaked it in water, and I'm gonna put it right on the grill. Just like that. And then I'm gonna go wash my hands. And I know it's a little dark, but to check if it's done, I just typically will stick my fork in here and do that, and then kind of look inside. So this one's looking done. So we're gonna go ahead and pull that off. These potatoes pierce rather easily with a fork. They could probably go a little longer, so I'm gonna let them sit on there while we make our plates, and then call it good. All right, so we're all done. Salmon's looking good, and we're gonna go ahead and pull these little potatoes off. And if you really want to, you can make like a cream sauce with yogurt and add some of that spice in there, or an aioli with a little bit of mayonnaise and mix the spice in there as well. But I'm super excited to eat these, so hopefully you guys enjoy them.